you want to sound like a fluent Ndebele speaker, I'm here to give you phrases that you can use so that you sound smooth when talking Ndebele. So you can say salibonani, it's hello. Unjani, it's how are you. Ngiyaphila, it's I'm fine. Ngiyabonga, thank you. Ngiyacela, please. Ngiyagula, I am sick. Ngilambile, I am hungry. Wamukelekile, you are welcome. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.